Assalamualaikum guys, and today we will be discussing about CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. और ये हम लोगों को CPR की ज़रूरत कब पड़ती है? Whenever a person goes through cardiac arrest or whenever he has breathing issues, वो unconscious हो जाता है, वो emergency हालत में होता है, then we should use CPR process to save his life. Now there are 6 basic steps of CPR. The first one is that, like, if you come from somewhere and this is the person who is lying here and he is unconscious, so first you will have to approach this person. Well, there are 6 basic steps of CPR. The first one is to approach that person safely. And how you will approach? First of all, tape a gentle tape on his shoulders. If the person does not respond, this means you should check him and you should take him to a safe place जहाँ पे शोर ना हो. Like if he is in the middle of the road, you should take him to one side of the road and then you should call for help. Then इसके बाद what should you do? You should open his airways. अगर adult है, you can open his airways like this. और fourth step ये है कि check his breathings by applying this formula. That is, first of all, you should look at his chest movements. अगर chest movements हैं, this means इसकी सांस बिल्कुल ठीक है. Then उसके बाद you should check his carotid arteries कि यहाँ पे pulse आपको feel हो रही है क्या नहीं. And last but not the least, you should listen to his breathing. You can also listen it like this. अगर उसकी breathing काम नहीं हो, then start compressing his chest और mid sternum जो है, इस तरह अपने hands को आपने lock करना है like this. Your elbow joints should be locked up और इस तरह आपने mid sternum पर face करना है. And 30 compressions like this you should give. और 30 compressions के बाद then you should pinch his nose up और 2 breathing movements आपने इसको देनी है. And you should repeat this cycle many times unless the help arrives.